Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Eze Namdi from Amazing Physiotherapy. I want to talk to you about Amazing Physiotherapy Back Pain Relief online educational classes. Whether you are a child, a young adult, an adult, or a senior citizen, then this is surely for you. It is me revealing everything that has to do with the best advice, the best strategies, and a better understanding of the reasons why you are suffering from back pain, neck pain, and spinal problem the way you do. Every day, people ask us pertinent questions concerning the way they should go about solving their problems, because they've been told that they've had back pain and there is nothing that can be done, and they just have to continue to live with it. They can't play with their grandkids. They're having difficulty associating with their friends, because one thing with this level of frustration is it engages you, it puts you in a particular place. You don't hang out the way you want. If you sit down, you are not comfortable. If you stand up for less than 10 minutes, you are running around looking for where to balance yourself. Now we have brought up this strategy to be able to create and answer those questions, those burning questions that will help you become more active, independent, recover naturally, so that you avoid relying on pain medications, injections, or do a surgery. The class is going to be holding by 6 p.m. on the 1st of October 2020. If you haven't registered yet, go straight to the link, click on the link below and register your seat. Save your seat, because we are allowing only 5 people with the next available stop. You will just get yourself registered. Then see you then.